Hi friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to another video. So in the today's session, we are going to talk about one of the interesting topic, that is many of the candidates are used to ask me, can I get software job by learning only SQL and Python? So I am going to clear your doubt in this session. So watch till the end of video, then you definitely get some knowledge from this video. So before going to discuss the main topic, if you are visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button as well. So many candidates are just watching the videos, you are not hitting the like button. Please do me a favor, please hit the like button if you really like our content. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. Can we get software job by learning SQL and Python? See friends, my answer is no. Why I said no? Because nowadays in IT market, if you know only Python and SQL, those are basic concepts only. The companies will consider these concepts, these skills only basics only. You are not going to nothing with these skills to develop the project in software companies nowadays. Minimum you have to learn the associated and primary skills along with SQL and Python. Suppose if you want to become a machine learning engineer, then these skills are basic skills only, Python and SQL. You have to learn some additional skills. You have to learn machine learning concepts. Okay, some NoSQL database like MongoDB, Cassandra. Okay, and also you have to learn some algorithms as well, and also you have to learn some monitoring tools and some security tools, and also you have to learn some cloud related service environments like AWS or Azure or GCP. Okay, so only with Python and SQL you may not get job. Even though if you get job with these skills, you may not get high package as well. Finally, you have to learn some associated skills and additional skills. What are the most demand technologies are in IT market to get high package and to survive in IT industry. So people are learning only Python and SQL, and they are applying for job. If you apply jobs only with these skills, then you may not get single call also, because company will filter the profiles or resumes who are having a multi skills candidate. Because only with Python and SQL you are not going to do anything to develop the project. Only those are basic things only. Suppose if you want to become a data analyst, you have to learn some data visualization tools. It might be Tableau or Power BI along with Python and SQL. Suppose if you want to become a data engineer, then you have to learn some associated skills like big data related technology, Hadoop, PySpark, Spark, like a monitoring tool, Airflow. Okay, and some NoSQL database and SQL database. NoSQL database means like any Cassandra, HBase, okay, or MongoDB, and SQL database means PostgreSQL or MySQL server. Okay, and also one cloud services like AWS, Azure or GCP. You have to learn these much skills. Then only you will get high package and you can survive in IT industry. In case if you want to become any data science, you have to learn associated skills for data science. You cannot become a data scientist only with SQL and Python. Okay, suppose if you want to become a web developer, then you have to learn along with the SQL and Python, you have to learn some one framework as well, Django or Flask, and also one RDBMS as well, SQL databases like MySQL. Like this, you have to learn additional skills as well. You won't get IT job only with SQL and Python. So friends, I hope you cleared your doubt. So that's all guys, mine. If you feel this video is very informative, then don't forget to share to your friends as well, and also don't forget to hit the like button as well. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.